Hi, I'm Clinton.
And I'm Jason. Today we are along Circuit Road, a city fringe residential development in the District 13, to view a high-floor, 4-room HDB.
Surrounded by conveniences and amenities, this might just be the perfect home for you and your family. This is MacPherson Spring. Welcome to this 1033 square feet home. The living area is bright and airy, perfect for treasured moments with the family. The key highlight of the property has to be spectacular unblocked views.
Out of the 750 units in this development, only 3 4-room layout enjoy the unblocked view of the city. The stunning open concept kitchen with a highly functional peninsula awaits your culinary adventure. A perfect spot to organize your fun-filled social event, prep your meals while interacting with your friends and family. The service yard at the back serves your laundry needs with excellent ventilation and unblocked views.
Now let's check out the bedrooms. Come on. The 2 common bedrooms are of a generous size, easily fitting a queen-size bed and a full-height wardrobe. Another distinct feature of this property is the ensuite master bedroom, which boasts a spacious balcony, perfect for chilling out in the evening. Of the 4-room stacks at MacPherson Spring, only 4-room units in these 2 blocks have a master bedroom that includes a balcony. MacPherson Spring offers various facilities for its residents' wholesome lifestyle, featuring a rooftop garden, fitness stations, senior and day activity centres, and more. Accessibility-wise, the unit is within walking distance to both MacPherson MRT and Paya Lebar MRT. This means that the new homeowner has access to 2 MRT interchanges and 3 different MRT lines. Next to Paya Lebar MRT is PLQ Shopping Mall for all your shopping needs and F&B options. Within a 10-minute walking distance is Circuit Road and MacPherson Market and Food Centre, where you can find delicious and affordable hawker food and fresh produce. Schools within 1 kilometre include Canosia Catholic Primary and Geylang Methodist School, with more options including Kong Hwa Primary School, situated between 1 and 2 kilometres away.
We are at the end of today's home tour.
If you'd like to be the new owner of this amazing unit, please contact us for an exclusive viewing. My name is Clinton.
And I'm Jason. See you soon.
Bye.